Hello guys, welcome back once again. Here we have this question. If x is a real number and the square root of x plus 2 over square root of x equal to x minus 4 over x, what will be the value of x plus 4 over x? What will be the value of x plus 4 over x? So this is a Thailand Olympiad question. Thailand. So how do we solve this type of problem? So I will say solution. We have square root of x plus 2 over square root of x equal to x minus 4 over x. So before we start anything, first I need to make it clear that for this equation to be true, x cannot be equal to 0. Now if that is established, then I can say let x equal to square root of x all squared. And I'm going to apply this to the right hand side. So I have square root of x, so this equation becomes square root of x plus 2 over square root of x equal to, so square root of x squared minus 4 over square root of x all squared. So from here, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to further make this into a difference of 2 squared. It's already a difference of 2 squared, just that this 4 has to be rewritten. So you have 2 over square root of x equals to square root of x squared minus 2 to the power of 2 all over square root of x squared. Then I will apply this in the index log here, that if we have a to the power of p over b to the power of p, then this becomes a over b all to the power of p. Okay, so I apply this. I'm going to apply this to the right hand side. So I have, so from here I come over to square root of x, square root of x plus 2 over square root of x equal to, so this now becomes square root of x squared minus 2 over square root of x all squared. So if that's the case, then we can apply the difference of 2 squares here. So if I have p squared minus q squared, this will give p plus q times p minus q. So apply to the right hand side. So we have square root of x plus 2 over square root of x equal to root x plus 2 over square root of x times root x minus 2 over square root of x. So, so you can see that this and this can cancel out. We cancel out. We have, and then we have 1 equal to square root of x minus 2 over square root of x. So I'm going to rewrite this to give square root of x minus 2 over square root of x equal to 1. Now I'm going to take square of both sides. I take square of both sides. So this will give me square root of x minus 2 over square root of x all squared equal to 1 squared. And then I will go ahead again to apply another rule, which is that if I have a minus b, or since I've used p, let me continue with that, p minus q squared will simply give me p squared plus q squared minus 2pq. So this law applied to the left will give square root of x squared plus 2 over square root of x squared minus 2 times square root of x times 1 over times 2 over square root of x. And then of course it's going to give me 1. So this and this will do away with each other. And then here we have square and square root will go. So I have x plus 4 over x, that's 2 squared is 4, square root of the square of square root of x will give us x. So we have minus 4. That's 2 times 2 equal to 1. So this will come over to this side. So I have x plus 4 over x equal to 1 plus 4. So x plus 4 over x, okay? X plus 4 over x will simply give us 5. And then we have been told that x is a real number. This is 5. And then, of course, so this is the solution. So we can come here to say that, therefore, we can conclude that x plus 4 over x equal to 5. Thank you guys for stopping by. Like, share, and then, of course, comment. And I will see you in my next video.